Hi everybody and welcome to Moneyworks. My name is Neil Mardian, Certified Financial Planner and Investment Advisor here in Medicine Hat. Thank you for joining us. Today we are going to take a different spin on RESPs, or Registered Education Savings Plans, and just a little bit on the way you can save taxes when it comes to RESPs and children eventually going to school one day. So here are some common tips or hints when it comes to the tax side of education planning. For example, the first one, make sure you claim your tuition and education credits. Typically, a student is entitled to a tax credit for tuition paid, plus any education credit based on a $400 a month of full-time credit or $120 a month for part-time attendance in school. Make sure you use this credit on your taxes. Another one is claim textbooks and ancillary costs. In addition to tuition and education credits, a student can claim a credit for textbooks, student fees, parking, and equipment. This credit is based on $65 a month for full-time and, again, $20 a month for part-time residents in post-secondary school. Another option is to claim an exemption for scholarship, fellowships, and bursaries. A student eligible for full-time education credit and who receives any sort of post-secondary scholarships, fellowships, or bursaries is generally exempt on those amounts required to support the student in the program. So again, they're basically tax-free. Make sure you claim them. Another one is claiming student loan interest. If the student receives a qualifying loan under the Canadian Student Loans Act or a similar provincial legislation, they should be entitled to claiming the tax credit on the interest of this loan. Make sure you put this on your tax return. And finally, make sure you claim moving expenses. If a student has to move away to go to school and then back home again, that's at least 40 kilometers away, and they have to earn some income down the road, make sure you use this as a tax credit. These are all very important things when it comes to tax planning and education planning for a student when they get in their late teens and early 20s. Make sure you're taking advantage of all these little tips and pointers. For Moneyworks, my name is Neil Mardian. Thank you for joining us. And remember, people don't plan to fail, they sometimes just fail to plan.